Good morning all. It's been quite some time since I made any video for musings on law. Today I would like to speak about the role of equity and justice in law. Some of you who have filed a case would have gone through the draft prepared by your respective advocates. Towards the end of the draft, or rather the petition or the plaint or whatever it is called, whatever you're filing, you would have seen in the interests of equity, justice and law. Now, why do we always write this? It is because all the three are interconnected. When the court, that is the judge, gives any judgment, the judge, honorable judge, not only looks at what the law says, that is of prime importance, but it is not only what the law says that he looks at, but also at what is equity. Does equity allow the law to give justice to the party concerned? In whose favor? How will the judge decide? Honorable judge, he will be listening to both the parties. Of course, the judge will be non-partial. The judge is a neutral person, right? So, how will the judge decide how to give the judgment? In whose favor he or she should give the judgment? It is purely based on what the law says. The dictum of law is very important. Apart from that, equity also plays a role. Equity is equality in different situations. So, I'll give you a small example so that you can understand what equity exactly is. Equity means where there is a staircase, for example. It's a very simple example which everyone can understand. There's a staircase. Now, not everybody can climb a staircase. Some people may be physically unable to climb due to some diseases. Some may be very old people, children. So, what would be the alternative? Many places we have the escalator, we have the elevators, right? But when it comes to very small number of steps, say for example outside a railway station or outside a bus stop, which is most commonly used by many people, how will there be? There obviously cannot be an escalator or elevator or anything of that sort. So how will the equity be maintained in that? It will be maintained by having a ramp over there near the steps or a little away from the steps. So both the people, though they are in different, the ability of the people are different, the similarity of situation makes it possible for them to climb the steps. People who cannot take the steps will take the ramp surely. So it is similarity, drawing a similarity somewhere in between the line so that both can achieve the goal. So this is a very simple example of equity, but it is given in a major measure when we are looking at law. So when we write what is the interest of justice, equity and law, this is the role of equity in providing justice while the honorable judges look at the law. Thank you.